Jake here from Kingdom Southend with the 2018 E43 Estate Premium Plus driving assistance package, night package, 360 camera and the widescreen displays. This vehicle comes fully loaded from the factory. So let's take you for a walk around tour and talk about the condition. Starting on the passenger alloy here, we do have some curbing marks to the alloy and some slight corrosion to the middle. We have a brand new Pirelli P0 tyre on the front, which we have an invoice to. Also, the bonnet looks very clean. We're just giving it a good polish, so everything is gleaming and shiny. And the front bumper itself looks very clean. Also, with all the chrome still intact and no perishing on that. Coming around to the driver's side, once again, a Pirelli P0 front tyre, brand new, loads of tread, brand new tread. And we do have some slight scuff marks just to the front alloy here. Coming down on the driver's side, the bi-turbo badges are still in place. We have the 360 cameras, which will work as they should on the wing mirrors. And just looking down the driver's side here, you see there's no dents, marks, scratches or anything of the kind. On the back alloy, we have some slight markings to this alloy as well. Very minor on this one. Discs aren't that old either. And this is a brand new Goodyear Eagle F1 tyre, which we also have receipts for. Coming round on the back quarter of the vehicle, we do have a slight chip just on the corner, if you could just see that on the camera. And there are some slight loading marks just on the back of the bumper, as you'd expect from a large estate like this. You can just see them there. We've also got the E43 tailpipes on the back, and the originals are available if needed. Boot lid looks all good, and the LED Swarovski crystal lights work exactly as they should. Looking around the quarter here, this looks all clean, just a slight little water droplet mark there, that isn't a scratch, and the parking sensors work as they should. And having a look at the rear alloy here, some slight corrosion marks again, no curving marks in this one. We do have a brand new Goodyear Eagle F1. And just looking down the passenger side, really clean on here, some slight touching marks that have just been happening on the passenger side, but everything else looks very clean. A very rare breed indeed, and really high specification. So let's take a look on the interior of the vehicle. We are presented with full black leather with the silver carbon fibre trim going through. You've got driving assist package, which will sit at the top here with self-leveling suspension. You've got your adaptive cruise control, lane departure assist. In the middle, you've got your sports controls down the bottom with the ash wood trim. And the seats look in immaculate condition, really tidy indeed, with the half Alcantara parts at the bottom. Premium Plus comes with Burmeister surround sound, heated seats on both sides and electric memory seats. You got a lovely big panoramic opening sliding sunroof at the top there, and the two widescreen displays. The vehicle's just covered over 54,000 miles and is of a very high specification. So let's just have a quick look in the back. No kick marks on the backs of the chairs, which is really nice to see. We've also got the armrest in the middle, which you do have two cup holders on the front and some more storage space in the middle. And the seats look in really good condition with that lovely big panoramic roof at the top.